everyone. Thanks for stopping in. I have two boxes here. I have this box and I have this box here. And these are from Cocokind. I greatly appreciate being able to get their products. I just have not had time to try them just yet. But I'm excited for, but I don't remember what was in this first box, but we'll do this one right here. Because I'm excited for this one. But I don't know what's in the other one yet. And this is Bodycare. Their Bodycare collection. 3 easy treatments target stubborn body skin concerns. Think sagging, loss of firmness, KP bumps, dryness, and irritation without extra fuss, fluff, and fragrance. Right here. And they show you, well, there are 3 products on the front. Also available February 25th exclusively at Target and CocoKind.com. Excuse me. First product, look, I have not even tried this yet, but I'm excited for this, especially with the warmer weather coming in shorts and bathing suits, all that good stuff. And this is their retinol body cream, big tube. And the opening is like a flat opening, and it looks like you just would like rub it on right there. You can see that. Like you don't have to put it in your hand and rub it on, like you could just go on right with it like that. So this is a retinol body cream, lightweight moisturizer with 0.05% retinol, helps firm skin's appearance and improves the look of uneven tone and texture. I can't wait to try that. Next item is KP smoothing stick, mess-proof KP treatment stick with 10% AHA. Gently exfoliates to smooth, bumpy, rough texture and reduce the look of discoloration. Usually you get like KP bumps on like the back of your arm. Sometimes you can get it on your legs, but I do have, I'm trying to think who has the KP. Is it First Aid Beauty with the KP cleansers and things like that? It does work. You just have to be consistent. I don't have a big problem with it, but every once in a while it can feel a little bump. So stuff like this is wonderful. I can't wait to try this. And it just looks like it's a same as a deodorant stick in stick form, so you could just rub it on and you really don't have to, you know, get too messy there. And then the last one in this box is Ceramide Body Oil Stick. Nice. Mess-proof body oil stick with ceramides squalene, which is very good for your skin, and shea. Replenishes moisture to support your body's skin barrier. These are 1.7 ounces, 48 grams. Both of those, I think they're about the same size. And then this is 8 fluid ounces, 236 ml. Clinically tested for sensitive skin, dermatologist tested, fragrance-free, and vegan. So this is the new Bodycare collection from Cocokind. Happy to have that. I can't wait to get into this. Hopefully soon I'll be able to get working on that for, you know, smoother skin for the summer. Let me open this one. And this one I've had for a while. I can't open this. Oh, the Velcro. What does this say? Hi, Books, a reusable box that's good for the earth. Nice. I like that. Oh, okay. I've not tried this either. It says, welcome to the C-suite. Get glowy, even-toned skin with the brightest serums in the biz. Right here. Let's see what these are. Oh, I like that box. That's interesting. So I have 2 items from Cocokind. Chlorophyll Discoloration Serum. Sold out after going viral. Now it's back. That's what this looks like. And it is, I think this one is the green one, if I'm not mistaken. It for fading spots, offsetting redness, boosting radiance. Put Me to Work, AM and or PM. And they're both available at Ulta and CocoKind.com. And this is Vitamin C Glow Serum. Over 1,000 5-star reviews. Overall brightening and healthy aging support. Working hours. Put Me to Work AM or PM. And this is like a white milky cream, like substance. Eye drops, you know, an eyedropper. And this is, I guess they're both available, Ulta and Cocokind. So I'm excited to try these, see what I think. I'm going to put them all in the same box so I can get using them. And a big thank you to Cocokind for sending this package. This came like in January. I just have not. I've been swamped and not been able to even do this. And that I apologize to Cocokind, but I'm going to get right on these and start using them so that I can let you know what I think. And I will update in a future video. It'll be in the title, you know, update on or review of Cocokind products, and I'll add it to another video. Or maybe since there's 5 products here, I'll just do a quick, like, you know, 5-minute review after I've tried all these wonderful Cocokind products. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye for now.